Ever wondered about the hidden dangers lurking beneath the serene ocean surface? We are talking about stingrays, those graceful, disc-shaped creatures often gliding peacefully across the seabed. But do not let their calm demeanor fool you. They possess one of nature's most effective defense mechanisms, their infamous stinger. So, what exactly is inside a stingray's stinger? And how does it pack such a punch? First, let's clarify what the stinger actually is. It is not just a simple needle. Located on the mid area of the stingray's whip-like tail, this formidable weapon is often called a spinal blade or barb. It is essentially a modified dermal denticle, similar to a shark's scales, but evolved into a sharp, serrated spine. Unlike bones, the stinger is made of vasodentin, a strong cartilaginous material, and can be quite long, sometimes reaching up to 10 centimeters. Many species also feature backward-facing barbs, making the stinger incredibly difficult to remove once embedded. Now, for the really potent part, the venom. The stinger itself is covered by an epidermal skin layer, or sheath. Along the underside of the spine, within longitudinal grooves, are specialized secretory cells that produce and store a complex cocktail of venom. When a stingray feels threatened, it whips its tail with incredible speed and force, driving the stinger into the perceived danger. Upon impact, the protective sheath around the barb tears, allowing the venom to penetrate the wound. Stingray venom is primarily protein-based and heat-labile, meaning it breaks down under heat. This is why one of the most effective first aid treatments for a stingray injury is immersing the affected area in hot water, which helps denature the venom and alleviate the excruciating pain. The venom contains various compounds, including cystatins, peroxyredoxin, and galectin, which can induce cell death and inhibit defense enzymes. It also contains serotonin, which causes intense muscle contractions and pain. The immediate effects of a sting are usually severe, instant pain, swelling, and muscle cramps, which can last for hours or even days. While rarely life-threatening to humans, unless a vital organ is struck, the wound itself can be jagged and prone to infection. It is crucial to remember that stingrays are not aggressive creatures. They use their stinger purely for defense, typically when accidentally stepped on in shallow waters or when they feel trapped. To avoid a painful encounter, many beachgoers practice the stingray shuffle, shuffling their feet along the sandy bottom to alert any buried stingrays, giving them time to swim away. The stingray's stinger is a marvel of natural engineering, a serrated, venomous blade designed for self-preservation.